5 Best Can Fridges 2017. Number 5. Uber Appliance UBCH1. Compact 4-liter mini personal fridge 6 can, 12 ounces, capacity. Plugs into 12V car cigarette lighter. It has a 12V 110V portable cooler, functions as a car mini cooler when needed. High-quality solid-state thermoelectric cooler fridge that functions as a mini warmer and cooler. Retro mini fridge styling, perfect for bedroom, nursery, office, or dorm. Features a removable shelf and a self-locking recessed door handle. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 4. Vivitar 8212-3BKAMX. Gold 16 and 20 ounce bottles. 12 can capacity. 12V car cord and AC adapter included. Thermoelectric cooling/heating system. Self-locking door handle. Item weight 8 pounds. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 3. Danby DBC 120 BLS. 3.3 cubic foot. Capacity beverage center, up to 120 cans. Mechanical thermostat with temperature range of 43 Fahrenheit, 57 Fahrenheit. 3 black wire shelves in interior light illuminates compartment when door is opened. Recessed side mount door handle and integrated lock with key. Tempered glass door with stainless steel trim and black body. Please refer pages 5 to 7 in user manual under technical specification. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 2. Best Choice Products Sky 1591. Hot or cold dual switch with red and green light indicate warming or cooling status. Advanced semiconductors to cool and warm up with full polyurethane foam lining without CFCs. Locking latch keeps items secure and unit insulated, operating on DC 12 voltage or AC 110 voltage. Overall dimensions: 10, long, into 7, wide, x 10.5, height. Capacity, 4 liters and holds 6, 12 ounces cans. Item weight 5 pounds. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 1. New Air, AB, -1226 can beverage cooler. 3.4 cubic foot spacious beverage center holds up to 126 cans. Cools down lower than other beverage coolers, ensuring your beverages are perfectly frosty. 5 easily removable chrome racks help you fit cans or bottles of various sizes and shapes. Sleek, stylish black, and stainless steel design complements any home decor. Freestanding design fits in many spaces at 19 long, 18.25 wide by 33.13 high. Please check the description for detail and prices.